In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send PDF via Microsoft Teams. Sharing documents like PDFs is a fundamental part of working effectively in any collaborative environment. Microsoft Teams provides a seamless way to attach and send these files to colleagues and team members, ensuring your important information reaches its intended recipient efficiently. We'll walk through the straightforward process step by step, making it easy to follow along and master this essential skill. To begin, first navigate to the Chats section within your Microsoft Teams application. You'll typically find this option on the left-hand sidebar of your Teams interface, often represented by a speech bubble icon, or simply the word Chats. Clicking on it will display your list of individual and group conversations. From this list, select the specific chat with the person or team you wish to send the PDF to. Choosing the correct conversation is vital to ensure your document reaches the right audience. Once your desired conversation is selected, the chat window will open, ready for your message and any attachments. Now that you're in the correct chat window, locate the Attach File icon. This crucial button is usually a small paperclip symbol, typically positioned near the message composition box, often at the bottom left of the chat interface. Clicking this icon will present a small menu of options for where your file is stored. You'll likely see choices such as Upload from my computer, Browse Teams and Channels, or OneDrive. Since you're sending a PDF saved directly on your device, you'll want to select Upload from my computer. This action will promptly open your computer's file explorer, allowing you to browse and pinpoint the document you intend to share. Once your computer's file explorer window appears, your next task is to locate and select the specific PDF document you wish to send. Navigate through your folders to the exact location where your PDF is saved. Common locations include your Downloads folder, Documents, or even your desktop for recently created files. Carefully click on the name of the PDF file to select it. After making your selection, click the Open button, usually found at the bottom right of the File Explorer window. You'll then observe that the selected PDF file's name or a small preview will appear in the message composition box within your Microsoft Teams chat, confirming it's attached. With your PDF now successfully attached and clearly visible in the chat's message input area, the final action is to send it on its way. Look for the Send button, typically represented by a paper airplane icon. It's almost always located at the bottom right of the message composition box, adjacent to where your attached file is displayed. Once you click this Send button, Microsoft Teams will commence the upload process and dispatch the PDF to your chosen recipient or group. A brief progress indicator might appear, and then the PDF will be displayed directly within the chat conversation, signifying successful delivery. Always confirm the file has been sent before concluding. And there you have it. Sending a PDF through Microsoft Teams is a simple and effective process once you're familiar with these steps. This capability is incredibly useful for efficient document sharing and fostering seamless collaboration with your team members. We hope this guide helps you manage your files more productively within Teams. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.